Good morning, welcome to a morning review. This is Kim speaking on Thursday, 22nd of September. So looking at the pound dollar first, and as you see, well, yesterday we double bottomed and pretty much, messed around that area for some time, but then took off following the news of the more relaxed progress that's expected in terms of interest rate increases by the US Fed. So at the moment, well, we've just run into the 4-hourly 34, which may provide a bit of short-term resistance at least. We've got a daily pivot untouched below, which is always a possibility that we could see that hit. We just need to see it starting breaking down a bit quicker, breaking down beyond the 60-minute 8 would probably be a good point. Of course, then we've got potential support areas into the 21s. Maybe one of those days we never actually see the daily pivot hit. It's already hit its R1, so it's already reduced the probability of that being hit. So at the moment, it's looking erring towards the more bullish side. We could even see it running back up towards the R2 at some point. Okay, looking at the euro. Similar picture here, although yesterday we did spike through that 200, making it towards putting it on the bearish side for some time, but didn't stay there for too long. And again, the news has pushed it more bullish than expected. It consolidated for some time through the Asian session here. At the moment, it's shoving up quite strongly. Again, we may see some sort of retracement back maybe to some of the pivots here, but I'm just sort of looking to see if we've got any daily pivots are a long way below. I think it may be a big ask to see that happen, although in terms of actual range it's probably not that big, but any sort of retracement back to perhaps the 21 may give buying opportunities. Okay, dollar yen, well, no surprise to see this re-strengthen again. It did that most of yesterday anyway, and it then had a little blip, and it just continued in its progress back down towards, well, 100, I guess. There is the potential. We were looking at the weekly 200, which sits, actually I can probably show you. I can't show you, but it sits about 98, somewhere in that region here. But if you look at the pattern on the weeklies, and it certainly looks relatively bearish at the moment, so we could see a bit more continuation to that side. Yes, we have got daily pivots above us, but we've also got the 21s, and they may just provide a bit of resistance on its route down. Any movement up, sorry. So which may give us a bit of continuation. Aussie dollar, one of the benefactors, really, in some respects, the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar should have pushed on quite well. It's still pushing up quite strong here. At the moment, the Aussie dollar, it's got the 21s below us, whatever else. We have got a bit of divergence. It may come back to that 21 from that divergence, but well, that's what it looks like it might do at the moment. Canadian dollar, again, quite some recovery here. I'll just put oil on there. Of course, that's pushed up. As I say, of course it has, but it has pushed up as well. You see it pushing up through the afternoon, and it pushed up later on. The projection, sort of the reserves benefiting the upside. And then looking at the short term here on the 60-minute set, sorry, it's just a quick look at the upside. You see it's broken through its daily 21, heading down towards the 50 at the moment, maybe further. Looking at what we've got here, a bit of divergence here as well, so we could see a push up. So that's the main analysis for today. Just looking at the what else we got here. We've got Draghi speaking at 2 o'clock and Carney speaking at 6 this afternoon. So that's it. So that's it for me. Have a great one. Bye.